Righto, we're going to do a bit of a demo on the different anti-rattle clamp systems. We've got the Anti Rattle Clamp, the Shim, and the Anti Rattle Bolt. So the racks pretty much since day one have come with the trusty Anti Rattle Clamp. Very simple, works well. So you assemble it as shown and you position it on your vehicle with the bit of welded on rod, is up and away from your vehicle. So you slide it onto the tow bar tube, and here's one fitted. Leave it with about a finger width gap before it hits the opening of your hitch, if possible. Like if it ends up being hard up against, it's not the end of the world, but a gap's better. And do it up evenly until tight. So why would you want to use these other ones? Great question. So one of the main reasons is if your car has a loose hitch, like believe it or not, the hitches can vary in the internal measurement a fair bit. And if yours is particularly loose, you might need to use, like the shim is a great economical option. So you insert the shim in first to take up more space and then use your clamp. And that often solves your problem. The other reason is if your car has a really shallow hitch, because if there's less tow bar tubing, because it bottoms out really shallow, that's another reason why you might need extra anti-wobble devices. Or if you've got one of our heavy duty racks like the Pro or our Moto rack, or using the swing arm. And those other racks actually now come with the Anti Rattle Bolt. So use Anti Rattle Bolt in conjunction with the Anti Rattle Clamp. The two combined work really well, and you can buy these separately. So the Anti Rattle Bolt, you just undo it like so. And it's important to note, it does come with some anti-seize type grease on the thread. It's a good idea to replenish that every few months or so, depending on use. Don't let it go dry. And you'll notice there's strong magnets on the nut section. So how to use it? So this is the tow bar tube, just this tube that goes into the vehicle. So whichever hole, like there's 3 holes to choose from, whichever hole your vehicle needs, choose the side that's easier to get to. Some vehicles you've got your trailer plug or something in the way. So on this car I'd just go in from this side, so I'd want to put this in so it's on that side. So you just insert it into the end like so, and the magnets hold it in place, and just keep poking it in until it lines up with the hole. If you need the other hole, you might need a screwdriver or stick or something. Just keep poking it in, and once it's there, it's not going anywhere. So yeah, put your magnetic nut in. Still use your anti-rattle clamp, so you can just hang on there, pretend the rest of your bike rack's on there as well. And then you insert it into your hitch, and the bolt replaces your hitch pin. So I've got the hitch pin in this vehicle, but if I was to use Anti-Rattle Bolt, I would, you then insert that. It'll pick the thread up and it clamps it rock solid against the side. And then you also do up your Anti-Rattle Clamp. So the two combined is a super rock solid fit. And if you really wanted to go the extra mile, you can also use the shim as well, which you'd put in first. Hope that clears it up a bit.